guys, so today I got a homework. Public speaking. I need to make a video about helping my mom. So I need to make some kind of video helping my mom, like grocery shoppings, like that. Yes, and now we're gonna help my mom. So let's get started. Yay! Brother, wake up! Brother, wake up! It's morning! Hey, good morning. Today I'm gonna clean up. First, I'm gonna clean the bed. Alright. Done. So now I'm gonna feed my fish. Me too! Add a little bit, not too much. Come on. Wanna help? Okay, put it. Done. It's full. So we need to salat. Let's pray.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, it's morning. So every time it's weekend, I have my mom go grocery shopping, and I always play with my little sister Jasmine, but it's so messy. So I need to clean up to help my mom. So this is my little sister's toy. Really messy when my little sister's eating or playing. Break the wind. Morning. This is main plan. I'm gonna put this a little bit lower. First thing first, put this. Wash. One more. Guys, I'm so hungry. Let's eat some bread. Oh no, my bread's gone. Let's go, girls. Free shopping. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're gonna get smoked beef now. Where is the smoke? Can you see the smoked beef? Let's see here. Wait, hot dog or burger? Hot dog. I want burger. So we should take hot dog and burger. I will. Oh, my mom buy this for my lunch and snack at my school, and this is so healthy because that gives you energy. So let's put it. What's up? So, this is all what I can do. The activities of cleaning. So, I help my mom and dad. I clean up the sofas, and before I just buy some breads, and I see some fishes, buying breads, and washing dish, and cleaning the plants. Now the plants are healthy. I clean up the toys too, and so I'm tired. And thanks for following me. I will go to bed since I'm really tired. All the activities. Bye. Daytime until night. Hello! Do you see my video? If you see it, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up for like. If you like it, thumbs up. But if you don't like it, don't give it a thumbs up. Okay? Bye!